How to pair Turtle Beach Stealth 500. If you've recently picked up the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset and you're unsure how to pair it, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to pair your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset with its wireless transmitter and your console. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need inside the box. You should find the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset, the wireless transmitter, a USB charging cable, and an audio cable. Make sure all of these are ready to go. First, take the wireless transmitter and plug it into the one of the USB ports on your console. Whether you're using an Xbox or PlayStation, this transmitter will be the bridge between your headset and your console. Next, power on your console. The transmitter will need the console to be on establish a connection. Then turn on the headset, press and hold the power button on the side of the headset until you see the power indicator light up. The headset will automatically search for the wireless transmitter. To pair the headset with the wireless transmitter, just press and hold the sync button on the transmitter until the light starts blinking rapidly. Then on the headset, press and hold the power button about 5 seconds and you should hear a confirmation tone, and once the light on the transmitter turns solid, your headset is paired. And that's it. You've successfully paired your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset.